Assalamu alaikum, marhaban bikum. Hello. Do you want to learn Arabic language, Holy Quran Tajweed and memorization? You are welcome. I am Loay, a native Arabic speaker. I work as a tutor of these matters. I have good knowledge of teaching all of this from many resources. I do that in different creative ways so that the learning process is useful, attractive, enjoyable, and specifically designed to meet the needs and goals of each learner. With suitable materials, the learners feel confident and motivated to excel gradually. I will improve your skills gently and cheerfully in short ways, using beautiful educational games and a variety of educational media, photos, videos, voices, slides, and digital handwriting. Also, there will be periodic tests to verify your level. So, whether you are a beginner, intermediate, or above, I'm here to help you, inshallah. Don't hesitate and let's start our journey. And now, with Holy Quran recitation. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اقرأ باسم ربك الذي خلق خلق الإنسان من علق اقرأ وربك الأكرم الذي علم بالقلم علم الإنسان ما لم يعلم